Welcome all administrators, constructors, designers, engineers and technicians to learnNX. With learnNX you will learn Siemens NX step by step from the beginning. Every step is based on the step before. Using exercises in increasing complexity, 1 to 3 new commands are introduced in detail. The following learning video builds on these commands and expands the learning content with additional commands. The commands are never presented as pure command, as in the help, but always in the context of the exercise. And along the way it will be shown typical solutions from practice. The basic course consists of learning videos that build up on each other. Marked blue. After reaching important milestones, you can check your knowledge with Test Yourself. Marked green. Expert exercises contain special knowledge. Marked red. All learning videos are freely available. You will find the drawing for each course at learnNX.com/downloads. We look forward to your comments on YouTube and about your subscription.